Rebecca, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a shaker. I'm using a heart shape from a cut file. I'm tracing the outer border. I trace the outer border because I want the pattern paper to be basically the same size as the design to ensure that it covers completely the design and the beads and sequins and stuff that I use for the shaker came out of the shaker. Then with the scissor I cut around the outer border very near the line. Now using double-sided adhesive tape, I cover the design, making sure that no adhesive is in the inside border of the heart. Cover the design completely. Now I'm using a piece of transparency. These are the ones that are used on the projectors. You can buy them very cheap on eBay, Amazon, or any school supply. You use the same heart to cut the transparency the same size. Now that it is ready, you remove the backing of the tape in the heart and you add the transparency there. Then check if there is any excess coming out of the shape. If that is the case, like in mine, use your scissor to remove it. Use foam adhesive to border the design. Be sure that you are adding it very carefully so you don't leave any empty space in between the adhesive. If you have open space in between the unions of the tape, then the shaker stuff, the beads and all that can come out of the design. So be sure to add them very tight, the unions. Once it is ready, apply a little bit of baby powder to the inside edge, just in case there is some adhesive or something. And now you can add all the stuff that you want inside the shaker. Be sure that the stuff that you add is not taller than the width of the foam tape. Once it is ready, be sure to clean the borders so you can remove the tape backing. If some of the sequins or stuff go on top of the tape, just take them out. Use a tweezer or something that helps you remove them from the tape. And when it is clean and ready, you can add the pattern paper on top of it. Make a little pressure to ensure that the paper is well added to the foam tape. And now let's check if something came out, if there is any hole in the tape. If you have any hole, you can cover it with a dot of liquid adhesive. Now I noticed that a bit of pattern paper is out of the border, so I use my scissor to remove it and clean the design. You can see how it turns out. Hope this tutorial helped you, and if this is the case, please give it a like and you can subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.